Stop stressing over late rent and start streamlining your income today. We're diving into how to set up online payments for your renters using Zillow. First, log into your Zillow Rental Manager account and navigate to the Payments tab. It's usually located in the left-hand menu. Next, look for the Request Rent button. Click this to start the payment setup process. Now, you'll need to enter the monthly rent amount, the due date, and optionally, set up any late fee policies that apply to your property. Be sure to double-check these details for accuracy. To receive payments, you'll securely connect your bank account. Zillow uses a secure third-party provider for this step, so your financial information stays protected. Follow the prompts to link your account. Once your bank account is linked, it's time to invite your tenants. Click the Invite Tenants button and enter their email addresses. Zillow will send them an invitation to set up their payment method. Your tenants will receive an email from Zillow prompting them to set up their preferred payment method, whether that's a bank account or a debit card. And that's it. You can now track payment statuses, send reminders, and receive rent directly into your bank account, all within Zillow Rental Manager. Embrace the ease and convenience of online rent collection.